Assalamu alaikum. The first woman of Ombudsperson of Punjab is Aisha Hamid. Landi Kotal is the famous town of Khyber Agency. Sana Mir has become the first Pakistani woman cricketer to be inducted in ICC Hall of Fame. 1956 Constitution named Pakistan as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Sikandar Mirza was the first president of Pakistan. The August of 1940 was aimed at inviting a certain number of Indian representatives to join Viceroy's Executive Council. A woman who fought in 1857 War of Independence was Rani of Jhansi. War of Mysore was fought during the period of Tipu Sultan. Allama Iqbal is known as the poet of East. The word Pakistan first coined by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Khunjarab Pass connects China and Pakistan. Markhor animal is the national animal of Pakistan. KPK is the smallest province of Pakistan by area. The length of coastline of Pakistan is 1058 km. On 30 September 1947, Pakistan officially joined United Nations organizations. Pakistan currently has 4 provinces. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world and second highest mountain is K2. Gwadar is a part of Balochistan province. The tomb of Allama Iqbal located in Lahore. Allama Iqbal gave his historical presidential address at Allahabad in 1930. The highest civil award of Pakistan is Nishan-e-Pakistan. The All India Muslim League rejected the Waiwal Plan of 1945 for it did not give League the sole right to nominate the Muslim members in the Executive Council. Sui gas, natural gas, was discovered in Balochistan in 1952. Explanation. The Sui gas field located near Sui in Balochistan province, Pakistan. It was discovered by Pakistan Petroleum Limited in 1952. Production of Sui gas began in 1955. It remains the largest natural gas field in Pakistan. Under Gandhi-Irwin Pact of March 1931, it was decided that the Congress will discontinue its civil disobedience movement. Explanation. Gandhi-Irwin Pact agreement signed on March 5, 1931 between Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, leader of the Indian nationalist movement, and Lord Irwin, later Lord Halifax, British Viceroy, 1926 to 1931 of India. Participants were Mahatma Gandhi and George Montague. Date was March 5, 1931. Location was India. Total height of K2 peak in meters 8611 meters. Liaquat Ali Khan was the longest serving Prime Minister of Pakistan. An agreement on the demarcation of boundaries was concluded between Pakistan and China in the year 1963. An agreement on the demarcation of boundaries was concluded between Pakistan and China in the year on 2 March 1963. Pak-China boundary line was demarcated during the era of Ayub Khan. This agreement, called the Sino-Pak Agreement. The Sino-Pak Agreement is a 1963 document between the governments of Pakistan and China establishing the border between those countries in the disputed Kashmir region. The agreement was signed by China Marshal Chen Yi plenipotentiary of the Government of People's Republic of China, and President Z.A. Bhutto, plenipotentiary of the Government of Pakistan. How many articles are in the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan? 280 articles. Explanation. The 1973 Constitution of Pakistan, or current Constitution of Pakistan, consists of 280 articles, 12 chapters and a schedule divided into 7 chapters. It became effective on August 14, 1973. It was drafted by the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. 1956 Constitution contained 34 articles divided into 13 parts and 6 schedules. 1962 Constitution contained 250 articles divided into 12 parts and 3 schedules. 1973 Constitution contained 280 articles and 7 schedules with objective resolution. Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan. The Indus Water Treaty, signed on September 19, 1960 between India and Pakistan and brokered by the World Bank. It allocates the western rivers Indus, Jhelum, Chenab to Pakistan and the eastern rivers Ravi, Beas, Sutlej to India. It was signed in Karachi by Pakistan President Ayub Khan, Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Mr. W.A.B. Elif. The treaty became effective on April 1, 1960. National flag of Pakistan was designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. The national flag of Pakistan was designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. The crescent in the Pakistani flag represents progress. The national flag of Pakistan was adopted on 11th August 1947. The dark green field in the flag of Pakistan represents Muslim majority. The star in the Pakistani flag represents light and knowledge. The white strip in the flag of Pakistan represents the minority. Nawab Khwaja Salimullah was the founder of the All India Muslim League. The All India Muslim League was founded on 30 December 1906 in Dhaka, British India, now Dhaka, Bangladesh. Its founder was Nawab Khwaja Salimullah. Its first president was Sir Agha Khan. The headquarters of the All India Muslim League was in Lucknow. The party was dissolved on 14 August 1947 when the Muslim League ended in 1947. It splits into 3 parties: Muslim League in Pakistan, Awami League in Bangladesh, Indian Union Muslim League in India. Ayub Khan was the president of Pakistan during the Indo-Pak War 1965. There are 3 major wars overall, 4 fought between India and Pakistan from 1947 to 2021. First conflict over the status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir was in 1947. It is also called as First Kashmir War. Result. As a result of the 1947 war, Pakistan gained control of about 1/3 of the Kashmir region. The second conflict between Pakistan and India over the status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir was in 1965. Pakistan's Operation Gibraltar is the main reason for the 1965 war. Ayub Khan was the president of Pakistan during the Indo-Pak War 1965. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister of India during the Indo-Pak War 1965. The third conflict between Pakistan and India was in 1971. Yahya Khan was the president of Pakistan during the Indo-Pak War 1971. Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India during the Indo-Pak War in 1971. There is also a limited war in 1999 at Kargil between India and Pakistan. Urdu was declared official language of Pakistan under which article of the Constitution 1973? Article 251. The 1973 Constitution recognizes Urdu as Pakistan's only national language. The 1973 Constitution contained 280 articles, 7 schedules with objective resolution, 12 chapters. Effective date is 14 August 1973, drafted by the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The Constitution declared Pakistan an Islamic Republic and Islam as the state religion. Justice Abdul Rashid was the first Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan. Justice Abdul Rashid was the first Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan. Sir Mian Abdul Rashid was born on 29 June 1889 in Lahore. Awards: Knight Bachelor, Star of India and Hilal-e-Pakistan. Sir Mian Abdul Rashid died on 6 November 1981, aged 92 in Islamabad. Sir Mian Abdul Rashid appointed by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The longest serving Chief Justice of Pakistan is Muhammad Halim, while the shortest serving Chief Justice of Pakistan was Muhammad Shahabuddin. Maryam Nawaz Sharif became first woman Chief Minister of Punjab of Pakistan. Liaquat Ali Khan was the longest serving Prime Minister of Pakistan. Liaquat Ali Khan longest serving Prime Minister of Pakistan with 1524 days in power. Yusuf Raza Gilani has become the second longest serving Prime Minister with 1494 days in power. Nawaz Sharif of PML Noon has been the longest serving Prime Minister for a non-consecutive term 3 times at approximately 9 years and 215 days. Fahmida was the first female Speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan. Fahmida Mirza was the first female Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan. Fahmida Mirza served as the 18th and only woman Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan. She served first female Speaker from March 2008 to June 2013. She received 249 votes and defeated her opponent Muhammad Israr Tareen, who secured 70 votes. She was a close supporter of the Pakistan People's Party and its leaders Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and Benazir Bhutto. Lahore is the capital of Punjab. Lahore is the second largest city of Pakistan and capital of Punjab province. Hockey is the national game of Pakistan. Maulana Mazharuddin Shaheed gave the title Qaid-e-Azam to Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Title of Qaid-e-Azam was given to Muhammad Ali Jinnah by Maulana Mazharuddin Shaheed in 1938. On 11 September 1948, Qaid-e-Azam died. Muhammad Ali Jinnah died on 11 September 1948 in Karachi, Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder and first Governor General 1947 to 1948 of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah born December 25, 1876, Karachi. Spouse Ratan Bai Jinnah 1918 to 1929. Ami Bai Jinnah 1892 to 1893. Siblings Fatima Jinnah, Shireen Jinnah, Maryam Bai Jinnah, Ahmad Ali Jinnah, Bande Ali Jinnah, Rahmat Ali Jinnah. Children Dina Wadia. Parents Pooja Jinnah, Mithi Bai Jinnah. Qaid-e-Azam Residency, also known as Ziyarat Residency. Qaid-e-Azam Residency is located in Ziyarat, Balochistan, Pakistan.